Moral: honesty and taking responsibility for mistakes is the best way to solve problems. Characters: 1. Benny the bear, playful and mischievous, but kind-hearted. 1. Learns the value of honesty. 2. Penny the parrot, smart and observant, always encourages others to do the right thing. 3. Sammy the squirrel, energetic and impulsive, but quick to admit mistakes. 4. Ella the elephant, wise and caring, serves as the group's voice of reason. Episode structure: opening scene, extension. Sunny meadow, morning. The group is gathered around a picnic table, planning their day. Benny: I'm going to win at hide and seek today. Nobody can outsmart me. Sammy: oh yeah? I've got the best hiding spot ever. Ella, smiling: let's just have fun. It's not all about winning, you know. As they talk, Penny notices a sign nearby. Penny: hey, look at that. The farmer's apple tree is off limits. The sign says not to touch the apples. Benny, grinning: but they're just apples. What's the big deal? Ella: serious, rules are there for a reason, Benny. We should respect them. Scene 1, The Temptation extension. Apple tree. Noon later, during the game, Benny hides near the forbidden apple tree. The apples are shiny and tempting. Benny, thinking, just one apple won't hurt. Nobody will notice. Benny climbs the tree, plucks an apple, and takes a bite. Suddenly, he slips and breaks a branch. Benny, panicking: oh no, the branch. What if the farmer finds out? Benny quickly hides the apple and runs away. Scene 2, The Discovery extension. Apple tree. Later the group returns to the apple tree and notices the broken branch. Penny: oh no, the tree. What happened here? Sammy: it must have been a storm. Or maybe an animal. Ella, frowning: I don't think so. This looks like someone climbed it. Benny stays quiet, avoiding eye contact. Scene 3, The Confrontation extension. Sunny meadow. Evening. Back at the picnic spot, the farmer arrives, looking upset. Farmer: kids, my apple tree is damaged. Do any of you know what happened? Everyone looks at each other nervously. Benny gulps but stays silent. Ella: farmer: we'll help fix it, but we don't know who did it. Penny, to Benny: do you know anything, Benny? Benny hesitates but shakes his head. Scene 4, The Guilt extension. Benny's night. Benny sits in his den, feeling guilty. He sees the bitten apple and sighs. Benny, thinking, I should have just told the truth. Now my friends and the farmer are upset because of me. Benny decides to make things right. Scene 5, The Confession extension. Farmer's house. Morning. Benny knocks on the farmer's door, holding the bitten apple. Benny, nervously: farmer, I have to tell you something. I broke the branch on your tree. I'm really sorry. I'll do whatever it takes to fix it. Farmer, smiling: thank you for being honest, Benny. Mistakes happen, but owning up to them is what matters. Scene 6, Making Things Right extension. Apple tree. Day. The group works together to fix the tree. Benny helps replant the branch and waters the roots. Ella: I'm proud of you, Benny. Telling the truth isn't always easy. Penny: and look, the farmer isn't even mad. Honesty saved the day. Benny: thanks, everyone. I'll think twice before breaking the rules again. The group laughs and shares a picnic under the tree. Closing scene and moral voiceover extension. Apple tree. Sunset. The camera pans out as the group sits together, happy and united. Narrator voiceover: when we make mistakes, being honest and taking responsibility helps make things right. The truth always wins the day. End of episode. Would you like me to expand this into a series or add detailed camera angles and animations for specific scenes?